Want to learn how to fix a login error on your Twitter app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix a login error. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Enter here Twitter and search for this particular app. You can see that there's an option of Open on the top right corner. That means I've already installed it. Sometimes you'll get an option of Update instead of Open. Try tapping on Update and update this particular app. Unupdated app could also be the reason of you facing the login error, so make sure to make your app updated. The third one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of this particular app. Clearing the cache will clear all of the unrequired filthy chunks from this particular app, which could also be the next reason of you facing the login error. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. If you have a cell phone like mine, try going to Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, tap on Manage Apps, tap on the search bar, enter here Twitter and search for this particular app. On the bottom, you can see 3 of the options. That is Force Stop, Uninstall and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Data on the bottom right corner. Tap on Clear Cache, tap on OK. So just by doing it, you have successfully removed all of the cache of this particular app. So try clearing the cache. The fourth one is to force stop this app. You can see an option of force stop on the bottom left corner. Tap on force stop. You can see here is a warning. That is, if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I would love to tell you one thing, that force stop in an Android phone is a special feature of removing all of the unrequired filthy chunks from your particular app to help your app start in a fresh way. So make sure to use force stop by tapping on OK on the bottom right corner, because definitely this would also help you fix your login error. The fifth one is to uninstall this app. Tap on uninstall on the bottom center, tap on OK next to cancel. So you can see that it has been uninstalled. Now you can go back to Play Store and tap on install on the top right corner and try installing this app once again. That means reinstall this app. Reinstalling this app could also help you fix a login error, so make sure to use it. The sixth and the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone could also help you fix a login error, because not just because of one particular app, but because of numerous apps running on the background, either in an iOS phone or in an Android phone. Twitter app may have faced the problem of login, so make sure to restart your phone. So I have just told you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. Try using all of them. I'm definitely sure if you're going to use it effectively, it will help. And if it has, try providing like to our video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.